Hey guys, Netta here from Dave and Netta's Elite Team. Today we're at Rustic Wood Accents in Thousand Oaks. Come on in.
Welcome to Tuesday's Tips. As busy real estate agents out in the field, we're always looking to help our community grow. Tuesday's Tips is about allowing our community to share about their businesses and promotions and providing you, the consumer, a place to find out more about what makes this community great.
Hey guys, Dave and Netta here from the Elite Team with today's tip. Today we're at Rustic Wood Accents with Ed. Hi Ed.
Hey, how you doing, Ed? Thanks for having us.
Thank you. So Ed, can you tell us a little bit about the company? What do you guys do?
Yes, thank you, Netta. Thank you, David. So excited that you're both here today and to share with the community the world of Rustic Wood Accents. We're located here in Newbury Park, California, and we're a small family-run business that custom makes mantles, shelving, countertops, tabletops, pretty much whatever the vision the customer has, we make out of old reclaimed wood or barn wood.
Okay.
And we handcraft all of our products here and do all of our own finished work as well.
So everything is done in-house here.
Exactly.
Got it. Okay.
And how long have you been in business?
The company's been around for 7 years. It started in San Clemente, and we moved it up here about 4 years ago. And we love the area, we love the community.
Which is my next question. So
Yeah.
is this why you moved this way? Because of the area, the community?
We live in Newbury Park, and it's always been a dream to work and live in the community that we live in. Our kids go to school here,
Okay.
and after commuting for over 10 years, kind of got burned out on that and wanted to really get into something that can help beautify the world, but also, was right outside our door.
Yeah.
Okay.
And what separates you from other companies? And I'm going to kind of lead you. You guys are green, so can you kind of tell us more about that?
Yeah. So we are a certified California green business through the Ventura County Department. And what that means is all of our office practices follow a green standard for recycling, for sustainability, reusing materials, and we went through an audit process and were certified and honored, also recognized by the city of Thousand Oaks.
Really cool.
Okay. I want to ask you a quick question. The process, can you give me this from start to finish? Like, how does you get a piece of wood? Where do you find the wood?
Yeah.
How does that work?
Great question, and that's probably the number one question we get.
Okay.
Barnwood comes from the Midwest, from
Okay.
various barns all over the country, primarily the Midwest. We work with a barn distributor who brings it out to California, and then we have it shipped down to us.
Okay.
And the history of the barn is provided, including a picture and some fun facts about the barn that it came from.
So you know exactly where that piece of wood's coming from?
Exactly.
Wow, okay.
And we have, next to the barn wood, we have the industrial wood, which comes from old homes, warehouses, piers from all over Southern California. In most cases, we also have the address of where the industrial wood came from.
Wow.
And so when customers come to us, they have a vision of something, and that vision helps us determine whether we go the barnwood route or the industrial wood route. But regardless of whatever the vision is, our approach to everything is we're making a wood art piece
Okay.
that will be in that home for decades.
Yes.
And really it's trying to beautify the world one home or office at a time.
Got it, okay.
And where can we find you on social media? What platforms are you on?
Oh yes, we're very active on Instagram and Facebook.
Okay.
We also have a website, rusticwoodaccents.com.
Okay.
But I would say Instagram and Facebook are the places to see all of our latest and greatest and daily pictures.
And I heard Pinterest is
Pinterest
also a
as
very
well.
Oh
good
yes,
one. So.
yes, Pinterest as well. Yes,
Yes.
we do have some product showing on Pinterest.
So for being on today's show called Tuesday's Tips, do you want to offer our community anything if they say, hey, we saw you on Tuesday's Tips? Any offers?
Yeah, yes, we'd love to. So mention this video and get 10% off your custom order of any size, whether it's a mantle, a shelf, or a tabletop or countertop or a coffee table. we'd be more than happy to offer 10% off.
Awesome.
Just mention this video.
And one last thing before we finish, I'm
Okay.
sorry. For every mantle that is bought,
Yes.
you guys actually plant a tree, which is so
Oh, right.
cool.
Yes,
so I
yes.
thought it was such a cool thing to mention.
Thanks for
Yeah.
remembering that. We do have a partnership with onetreeplanted.org.
Wow.
For every product or mantle that we make, we make a donation to have a tree planted.
So awesome.
And it's primarily, we choose the trees to be planted in California, even though onetreeplant.org does plant trees worldwide.
Okay.
We feel that it's our way of giving back to the community and giving
Love
back
that.
to California.
Thank you, Ed. We appreciate you.
Thank you,
Thank you
Netta.
so much.
Thank you, Ed.
Thank
We
you,
really
David.
appreciate it. And
Thanks so
guys,
much.
thanks again for watching today. And come out and see what this guy does. He has some
Amazing.
amazing custom stuff for you guys. So thanks again for
Thanks,
watching.
Bye,
everyone.
guys.
Hey guys, thanks again for watching Tuesday's Tips. If you'd like to be on our show, please reach out to us. And don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms.
And if you have any real estate needs, please reach out to us. And we're Dave and Netta. We are the Elite Team.
Bye guys.
Bye.